Are you tired of skyrocketing electricity bills? Do you feel you're paying too much for power? If the answer is yes, then welcome to our channel, your guide to simplified living. Today's focus is the dreaded electricity bill, a monthly nightmare that never seems to stop increasing. We plan to delve into the concept of kilowatts and therms, aiming to help you comprehend where your hard-earned cash ends up and how you can stop it from disappearing. We are here to equip you with effective and practical strategies to lower your monthly electricity costs significantly. This video isn't just about saving a few bucks on your bill, it's about adopting conscious consumerism. We're discussing how to lower your carbon footprint and make positive contributions towards our planet's well-being. Imagine the satisfaction of effectively managing your usage, contributing to environmental conservation, and saving money, all at the same time. We are passionate about empowering you with the knowledge necessary to take command of your electricity bill. So, if you're ready to learn and make invaluable changes to your electric consumption, then you're in the right place. This video is essential for everyone who's tired of their electricity bill ruling their life. Stick around and we'll show you how to take control of your electricity consumption and save. Before we dive into the solutions, let's first understand what impacts your energy cost. The primary factor is energy consumption, gauged in kilowatt hours, or kWh. Think of this as the fuel you use for a car ride. The more you go, the more fuel you use. Now imagine the cost of this fuel fluctuating based on the time of day. This is the idea of peak hours. These are specific periods during the day when electricity demand is high, and in turn, the price. Often these are times when individuals are most active, such as early morning or late afternoon. Another crucial factor is tariffs. A tariff is the you pay per kWh of energy. This cost can vary depending on your location, your electricity provider, and the type of contract you have. Remember, your bill isn't merely the total of your energy usage, it's a blend of how much you use, when you use it, and the rate you're charged. Suppose you're using a significant amount of electricity during peak hours, your bill can quickly shoot up even if your total consumption isn't high. Now that you know the components of your bill, we can begin exploring ways to decrease it. One of the best ways to reduce your electricity bill is by using energy-efficient appliances. This may sound simple, but it's a strategy that's often overlooked. Energy-efficient appliances are engineered to consume less power while delivering equal or better performance than their power-hungry counterparts. This dual benefit not only trims down your energy bills but also reduces your carbon footprint, making it a win-win situation for both you and the environment. Now you might be wondering, how do you identify these appliances? The answer lies in the Energy Star label. This label was conceived by the Environmental Protection Agency and the Department of Energy, and it signifies that the appliance is more energy efficient compared to standard models. Knowing this, the next step is to identify the appliances that consume the most energy. Typically, refrigerators, washing machines, dishwashers, and air conditioners are major energy guzzlers in most households. Replacing these with energy-efficient alternatives can result in substantial savings on your electricity bills. For instance, an energy-efficient refrigerator could use up to 40% less power than a conventional model. Similarly, a resource-saving washing machine could reduce your water and electricity consumption by up to 50%. Moreover, these appliances are not only cost-efficient, but also often offer superior performance and durability, making them a wise, long-term investment. Although the initial investment might seem steep, the eventual savings on your utility bills make it a worthwhile choice. So, the next time you're shopping for a new appliance, consider making an eco-friendly choice. It's a decision that pays off for both your pocket and the planet. Another effective way to cut down on your electricity bill is by adopting smart usage habits. That's right. Your daily practices can dramatically influence the amount of power you utilize. By modifying a few aspects of your life, you could potentially pocket some extra cash. Now, you might be scratching your head and asking, what are these smart usage habits they speak of? Let's delve right in and explore, beginning with an old you would have heard often, but is worth echoing for its importance. Unplugging your devices when not in use. This phenomenon is termed as phantom power, which might seem insignificant initially but can accumulate to a shocking extent over the months. Even that innocent-looking charger left plugged into the socket without a device connected to it? Yes, it's stealthily draining power. What about the television set on standby mode? Absolutely, it's secretly guzzling electricity too. So, a simple act of unplugging your devices when idle can lead to a reduction in your electricity bill. Moving on, let's shed some light on natural light. It's a gift from the universe, it's plentiful, and serves as a fantastic substitute to artificial lighting. By merely pulling back your curtains and welcoming the sunlight into your home during the daytime, you can significantly trim the necessity for artificial lights in your abode. This not only slashes your electricity costs, but also renders a healthier and organic habitat for you and your family. A further habit to inculcate is decreasing the operation of heating and cooling systems. These are frequently the primary culprits for high power consumption in households. Merely by altering your thermostat by a degree or two can result in a substantial difference in your power usage. Consider utilizing fans in lieu of air conditioning, or piling on extra layers of clothing instead of inducing the heater. To wrap, it's essential to bear in mind that every little action counts. Turning off the lights when exiting a room, curtailing shower time, washing your laundry in cold water, are straightforward yet efficient methods to curtail your power expenditure. By merely tweaking your daily habits, you can witness a remarkable reduction in your electricity bill. So, let's initiate this transformation today, and make energy efficiency a way of life. If you're really serious about reducing your electricity bill, why not consider renewable energy sources? This proposition might sound complex, yet it's worth your time and attention. Our planet is blessed with two seemingly eternal renewable resources, the sun and the wind. Their existence is not just meant for making our day pleasant, but they also hold the power to fuel our homes efficiently and economically. Solar energy is one of the most viable and accessible forms of renewable energy available to homeowners today. Solar panels have revolutionized the way we harness energy. By capturing the sun's rays, they transform solar energy into electricity. This energy can then be used to power a multitude of electrical appliances in your home. Yes, installing solar panels requires an initial investment, but take a moment to consider this. Every beam of sunlight that your panels absorb translates into free energy. The continuous supply of sunlight ensures that your panels never run out of fuel. Over a period, this could result in significant savings on your utility regions. Also allow homeowners to sell any surplus power generated back to the grid. This turns your home into a small-scale power station, producing energy not only for your own use but also contributing to the electricity grid. Wind energy is another option, especially if you live in a region with strong and consistent winds. You can install small wind turbines on your property to capture the wind. As the wind blows, the turbine blades rotate and generate electricity. Like solar, wind energy also requires an initial investment, but the long-term benefits can be substantial, resulting in reduced utility bills. Then we have hydroelectric and geothermal energy, although these are less accessible for individual homeowners due to their geographical requirements. But if you're fortunate enough to have a stream running through your property or live in a geothermally active area, these might just be the right options for you. Aside from the financial benefits, renewable energy sources produce clean energy which is friendly to the environment. They do not release harmful pollutants like fossil fuels do. By choosing to switch to renewable energy, you contribute positively towards mitigating climate change and preserving the environment for future generations. In conclusion, it's a winning situation for you and the environment. Switching to renewable energy is not only good for your wallet, but also for the environment. Reducing your electricity bill doesn't have to be a daunting task. By studying your bill, using efficient appliances, adopting mindful usage habits, and exploring renewable energy, you can cut costs significantly. It's all about understanding your energy consumption and taking the steps to adjust it. Begin employing these strategies today for noticeable results. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends.